Hey, Miss Jennifer James, Alex Marevka here at Tameron Hyundai. Thank you so much for your interest in trading in your vehicle on a new vehicle. We are a Kelly Blue Book dealer and trade-in marketplace dealer, so you're going to get a great value on your trade. It just depends on what type of vehicle you're looking for. We have over 350 different vehicles here at Tameron, so this is the place to come to purchase your next vehicle. Give me a call. My name's Alex Marevka. The phone number here is 205-380-6250, or stop by and see me. We're off Montgomery Highway in Hoover, Alabama, 1591. Again, give me a call. I'd love to work with you. It's Alex Marevka at Tameron Hyundai, 205-380-6250. Thank you so much, Miss James. Look forward to speaking with you soon.